In this video you will learn how to create a YouTube brand account. But if you haven't subscribed to our GSC YouTube channel yet, then subscribe and click to turn on the bell icon, so you can get our video updates when new content like this is added. With that being said, let's get started. Well, you can see right here in my account, that there is only one channel, and it is my default personal YouTube channel which is associated with my Gmail account. So let's click and create new channel with this create new channel option. Next, here we can enter a suitable channel name to our YouTube brand account. But I prefer to give the same personal YouTube channel name, as a brand name for the time being. I can change it later if I wish to have another name. And my YouTube brand account is created. We can upload profile picture for the channel by clicking on this profile icon and uploading from our computer. Next, we can click here and upload our first video to our YouTube brand channel. And add all necessary information like title and description for the video and publish it. And as you can see, we're done with this video tutorial. But you can check more here on YouTube channel to watch next.